Okay, after my story you will give a answer to the what is fact table and what is dimension table. Okay, okay, so the first point is fact table. Okay, so the first you will come to know what is fact table, and then okay you will come to know what is the dimension table. Okay, let me explain the story now. Okay, you want me to explain? Okay, let me open and paint this. Okay, let me open a paint. Okay, it's looks like it's only one line, guys. Okay, it's only one line. Okay, but we'll have the 1 hour class, guys. Okay, we'll have the 1 hour class, but now okay I will give only fact and dimension table. We'll see the relationship tomorrow. Okay, but for now I will give the explanation on fact and dimension tables. Okay, what is fact table and what is dimension table? Okay, so now, so one company CEO come and says that, okay, I have a $1,000,000,000. Okay, that may be Amazon or Amazon CEO or Flipkart or Microsoft or anyone. Okay, so anyone. Okay, if he says, okay, my company is earning $1,000,000,000. Okay, $1,000,000,000. That means it's functioning very good, right? Okay, that means functioning very good. Okay, this number is called a, okay, this number is called fact or measure or metrics case. Okay, this number is called fact. Okay, fact number, sorry, fact or metrics or measure. Okay, do you mean all numbers data is a measure, all numbers data is a fact? Okay, no. So number, okay, fact means it's a number data, but all number data is not a fact case. Okay, suppose your phone number is there, my phone number is there. Okay, if we multiply two phone numbers, it will not give us someone else phone number, right, guys? Okay, if you have a your phone number and my phone number, if you do the addition, okay, it will not give someone else phone number. Okay, so where we can do all kind of aggregations, okay, it will give a meaningful information, that is called a fact and fact case. Okay, that is called a fact. Hope you are getting it. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so which number will, okay, after applying all kind of aggregations like min, max, average, okay, sum, okay, after applying all aggregations, okay, if it is gives a meaningful information like average comma min comma max comma sum. Okay, so sum and etc. After applying all this, okay, if it is gives a meaningful information, okay, if it gives a meaningful information, that is called a measure. Okay, that is called a fact. Okay, fact will have a more numbers data case. Okay, fact will have more numbers data. Guys, are you getting? Okay, this point is clear. Okay, so fact means what? It's a number data, but all numbers data is not a fact. Okay, if you are understanding, just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are understanding this point, just type yes. Hello, yeah. Okay, so all number data is not a measure, guys. Okay, wherever you apply all kind of aggregations, even though it's giving a meaningful information, meaningful business answers, okay, that is called a measure. Okay, that is called a fact. Okay, so next question. Okay, so next question, so where you got this? Okay, so you got $1,000,000,000, right? Okay, where you got $1,000,000,000. Now the question people may ask you, okay, where you got, okay, where you got this profit? Means location table, guys. Okay, dim location. Dim means, okay, in real time people dimension table. Okay, so instead of dimension table, people call it's a dim table. Okay, don't get confused, guys. Okay, dim table means a dimension table. Shortcut people will call a dim table. Okay, so dim location table will come, guys. Okay, when means dim location table will come. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, when you got, okay, so like where you got means dim location will come. Okay, so when you got that profits, okay, when you got profits, okay, means dim. Okay, so when means dim date table will come, guys. Okay, dim date table will come. Okay, so for what you are getting that profit? Okay, which product you sold? Okay, which product you sold, why we are get, okay, so what product you sold, and so people may ask you interest. Okay, that is the product. Okay, this is dim product case. Okay, what means the product table will come. Okay, product table will come. Okay, and then okay, who is the customer for that product? Okay, so dim customer. Okay, you can say dim customer table will come, guys. Okay, dim customer are dealers. Okay, nowadays people dealers also giving a good business. Okay, for Maruti, the Varun Motors is a dealers. Okay, they will give a good profit to the vendors. Okay, so and then what is the how? Okay, what is the mode of business? Okay, offline or online? Okay, offline or online? Okay, how the business is running? Okay, so dimension table will always ask the questions about your fact table, guys. Okay, fact table. Okay, the facts, the measures. Okay, dimension table. Here what I'm trying to say, your dimension table always describes. Okay, always ask the questions about your measure. Okay, measure always give the answers about the business case. Okay, measure is always give the answers about the business. Okay, and dimension table will have more text data, and it always ask the questions. Okay, so the second point, it will always ask the questions about fact, questions about fact. Okay, and it always give the answers. Okay, it will, okay, fact table always give the answers case. Okay, fact table always give the answers about the measure. Okay, about, okay, so whatever the question, dimension table will ask. Okay, for all those questions. Okay, dimension table, fact table will give the, okay, fact will give the answers. Okay, we'll go some more depths, guys. Okay, we'll go some more depth, and then okay, open one new sheet, and then let me zoom it. Okay, if you want to start a business, first what should you have? Okay, you should have a product, right, guys? Okay, you should have a product. Yes or no? Just type yes or no, guys. Okay, first of all, you should have a product to start the business, right? So which product you want to, on which product you want to start the business? Okay, so first you need to have the product. Okay, let me have a product here. Okay, so this is the product ID. PID means product ID. Okay, name, product name. Okay, and then next you will have the price. Okay, you may have the quantity. Quantity means stock, guys. Okay, so what is the stock you have? Okay, what is the stock you have? Okay, so okay, so here, guys. Okay, P001. Okay, I have one product. Okay, P001, and then P002. Okay, and then P003. Okay, I have three products. Okay, so three products, and then name is, okay, you may have a more columns, guys. Okay, for now example, I took only 4 columns, but you may have a more and more columns also in the dimension table. Okay, this is the product dimension table. Okay, you will have the name car, bike, some laptops. Okay, you can feel like that. Okay, laptops case. Okay, laptops. Okay, these are the products we have, and the price is, for car it's a 50,000. Okay, and then $20,000. Okay, something like that, guys. Okay, sorry. Guys, I'm back. Okay, hope you are able to hear me, right, guys? Okay, hello, hello. Yeah, so power gone actually, so I connected through mobile data. Okay, I'm back now. Okay, yeah, so again, laptops again, it's a 4,000 something like that, and then I have the quantity. Okay, here I have 10, here I have 5, and here I have 3. Okay, something like that. Okay, okay, so this is my product table. Okay, this is my product table. If you start selling this product, okay, if you start selling this product, okay, so the transaction table, guys. Okay, the sales table. Okay, the transaction table will form. Okay, so it will have the product ID. Okay, it will have the product ID, and then okay, customer ID. Okay, so foreign. Okay, so the sales table, guys. Okay, the transaction table. Okay, master tables called dimension tables. Okay, whatever the master table. Okay, this is the dimension table. Okay, from the dimension tables calls the parent tables, guys. Okay, these are the parent tables. From the parent tables, okay, the sales table will be happened, the transaction table will be generated. Okay, so on so product, okay, P001, okay, some customer, okay, customer 001, okay, customer 001, okay, and so on so date, okay, so on so data, guys. Okay, transaction, every transaction will record like this only, right? So on so date, okay, so 01 01 2022, okay, 01 01 2022, okay, price is, okay, so price, okay, price is, okay, so 50,000, P001 is a 50,000, right? And then 50,000 or $50, okay, anything is fine. And then quantity he took, okay, so he took only 2, okay, he took 2, yes, this is sold, okay, this is the stock what you have, okay. Hope you are getting, guys. Okay, the transactions, okay, everyday transactions will have in the fact table, guys. Okay, everyday transactions, okay, fact table is nothing but a transaction table, okay, each and every transaction, okay, order returns and booked, okay, whatever the things, okay, so all thing will be there in the fact table, guys. Okay, hope you are getting the fact table, how the fact table looks like. Okay, so and again P001 same product, okay, okay, same customer, also same customer, there is no rule, guys. Okay, same product, same customer, same day, again he can buy that, okay, again he can buy that at that time, okay, next time he has buy, okay, he have buy 3, okay, he liked the lot, okay, again he took 3, okay, there is no rule, guys. Okay, there is no rule, same product, same customer should not take the same day, okay, there is no rule like, okay, the business will not have, okay. So why I'm saying this, okay, so fact table may have the duplicates, but dimension table will not have any duplicates, okay. Dimension table will maintain the unique key, guys, okay. But okay, if you go here again P002, okay, some customer 2, okay, customer 2 or customer 1 only, but this time I'm going with the customer 2, okay, customer 2, and then so same date, okay, same date, okay, same day we can have n number of transactions, guys. Okay, again same day we can have n number of transaction. Amazon, if you take Amazon, okay, for same day, same products, okay, same customer may take, okay, different customers may take, but we'll have a very big table, okay, compared to dimension table. Fact table is a very big. Do you agree, guys? Okay, hope you are imagining, okay, hope you are imagining, okay, how the fact table, just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are getting like what is fact table, okay, suppose here is a awesome, okay, here is, and then he typed 2, okay, again, so again P002, okay, customer 3, okay, customer 3, and some next day, okay, 201, and then 2022, okay, again he took see, product 3, product 2, right? Okay, product 2, okay, that is the price 2020, sorry, 20,000. Again here is a 4, okay, 4 he can able to take, guys. Okay, 4 he can able to take up. So how many are there total quantity, how many are there, how many stock I have? Only 5, but he cannot take more than that, guys. Okay, so okay, try to understand, guys. Okay, whatever the stock, okay, whenever you try to, okay, he can take only 3, okay. So again when you sell this 3, okay, so in your front end application, you will show the stock is, okay, there is no stock, okay, in front end application it shows there is no stock, guys. Are you getting? Okay, and also suppose you are trying to, okay, you are trying to sell some P004, some other product, okay, some other product you are trying to sell, okay, you are trying to sell some other product, guys. Anyone face this issue, guys? Okay, when you go to the supermarket, the person, okay, the guy who are there in the supermarket is trying to scan that product, okay, he's trying to scan that product, but it's not scanned, okay, he'll enter manually, and then he sell, okay, he give that, okay, then only he can sell that, guys. How many are? It's that me, that's me, that's me. Come on, just type. Okay, how many of you got that type of issue? Yes, most of the people. Yes, most of the people. That means, guys, okay, so there is no product in this product table. Okay, there is no product in this product table listed, and you are trying to sell that product in the transaction table. You are trying to insert the transaction in the transaction table. That is the reason. Okay, so it will have the parent child referential integrity case. Okay, so this is the, so this is, we call this one is a primary key case. Okay, this one is a primary key. Okay, here is the primary key. So whatever the keys, okay, so fact table is have the foreign keys case. Okay, fact table will have the foreign keys. Okay, fact table will have the multiple foreign keys. Okay, so dimension table will have the primary key, and then primary key will maintain a unique value in a column. Okay, it will not allow any duplicates, but foreign key will have the duplicate values. Guys, hope you are getting. Okay, and also dimension table will have the less number of data. Okay, so then only. Okay, so again, if you want to purchase that P004, guys, okay, he has to enter P004 product here, and then he has to maintain the others. Okay, and then enter the price. Okay, whatever the price, and then quantity, how many is sold. Okay, then only the transaction made here, guys. Okay, then only the transaction will be made it here. Okay, in the fact table. Hope you are clear, right, guys? Okay, so then only that is called referential integrity. Okay, this fact table. Okay, this primary key. Okay, this primary key and this foreign key will have the relationship. Okay, that relationship is called referential integrity. Okay, when you are in a SQL, that you will come to know, but this is database design, even though we'll create a modeling. So that time, okay, so the relationship will have that. Okay, then only that relationship will form. Okay, when the relationship form, you will get definitely the type of error. Okay, so now, okay, compared to dimension table, fact table will have more data. Do you agree, guys? Do you agree? So we'll have n number of transactions. Agree? Even customer table also will form, guys. Okay, customer table, each customer will have the 00 customer ID, and then customer name. Okay, so date of birth. Okay, customer, when the customer when customer books the order, okay, automatically they will load that customer into customer table. Automatically they will give some number, and also they will give some unique ID to you, and then, okay, this is the date of birth. Okay, so whatever the results he took, guys, okay, that will send it to the customer table. Okay, so customer table is a dimension table. Okay, it will also have, okay, see, even in company, so employees will have a unique number. Okay, that is employee ID. They will have a unique number. The same way, even customer table will have one unique number to, okay, this customer, how many transactions he has done. Okay, last month how many is done. Okay, so previous month, previous year how many. Okay, so whenever they want to pick something, okay, though even, okay, customer table will have, and date dimension, so on, so date, how many sales and transactions. Okay, date dimension will come. Okay, from which location. Okay, even location table will come. Okay, so these are the dimension table. Based on all dimension table, okay, this fact table, okay, this transaction table will form, guys. Okay, transaction table means, okay, there is no specific value, something like that. Okay, after all, okay, after all dimension table, okay, dimension table is a parent table for the transaction table. Okay, it will take the reference from the parent table, and then it will form, guys. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, transaction table, but data wise, transaction table will have the more and more data compared to dimension tables. Okay, if you see, guys, okay, so if you see product, okay, if you have a very big business, okay, very big business, okay, how much they can introduce new products? 100, 1000, 2000, okay, per day 2000. Okay, that is very big business, guys. Okay, but the transaction will be in thousands and lakhs, guys. Okay, thousands and lakhs, but he may not introduce all that much products, right? Are you agree, guys? Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so products may not be, okay, products may not be increased the, like, how many transactions. That is the reason transaction table will have a more and more data compared to dimension table. Even customer may not come for each transaction. There is no new customer, guys. Okay, there is no new customer. Maybe existing customer only can take the, so customer table also will compare to the transaction table. Customer table will also have the less number of customers, new customers. Okay, existing customers only can take that. And also even locations. Okay, if you take the location worldwide, okay, suppose now you are in the 20 countries, your business is increased to 3 more countries max. If it is increased, okay, how many countries does, okay, 93 or 92, or I don't know exact number, but maybe 92 or 192 or 193, something like that. Okay, so it max to max 195. Okay, super. 195 countries, it's increased, right? Yes. So it's not compared to transaction table, it's very less. Agree? So hope you are getting, guys. Okay, now let me go with the paint. Okay, hope you are getting what is the fact table, how the fact table looks like and all. Okay, so third point, here we'll have the, okay, unique. Okay, it will have the primary keys, guys. Okay, unique data. Primary keys means what? Unique data. Okay, and here you will have the foreign keys, guys. Okay, here you will have the foreign keys. That means duplicate. Okay, foreign keys means, okay, we may have the duplicates. Okay, and size wise, guys. Okay, size wise, it will have very less. Okay, it's a less amount of data compared to fact table, guys. Okay, it will have less amount of data compared to fact table. I can say less data. Okay, less data, I can say. Okay, suppose, okay, just I'm giving example, guys. Okay, if it is 2 MB or not 2 MB also, okay, just feel like that. Okay, so this table, okay, dimension table, location table may have the 1 MB data. Okay, 1 MB data, and date table may have a 1 MB or so 500 KB also maybe. Okay, so yeah, you can write it 1 MB. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you can 1 MB, and then see here it will have fact table will have almost 500 MB data. Guys, try to understand, okay, how much big it is. Okay, so if the business is very big, okay, it may have like that. Okay, so it may be 2 MB data. Okay, 2 MB. Okay, so like that, guys. Okay, so it will have a less amount of data compared to fact table. Fact table will have more depth, more data, and then more frequency also. Okay, so the location and the customer and the date table may have, okay, may or may not have the very frequency of data, but transactional table will have very frequency data, daily data. Agree? Yes, daily data will have or not? Agree? Just type yes, guys. Okay, super. Okay, hope you are getting what I'm saying. Okay, now, okay, so far is clear, right? Any questions, guys? Okay, so far clear, right? No questions. Just type in. If you don't have any questions, just type in. Okay, otherwise you can ask at the end also. Okay, yeah, super. Now, so people may ask, guys. Okay, people may ask, okay, you got $1,000 million, right? Okay, so when you got that $1,000 million, okay, let me, okay, so let me here. Okay, see, in 2021 and then in 2020, how much you got? Okay, so in 2020, suppose, okay, in 1,000 million, 600 millions, okay, $600 million you got. Okay, $600 million you got in 2021. Okay, the remaining in 1,000, okay, in 1,000 you got 600 from 2020. Okay, the remains how many? $400 from 2020, something like that. Okay, $400 from 2020, guys. Okay, now, so if you got $600 in 2020, so in semester wise, okay, semester 1 how much, and then semester 2 how much? Okay, so in semester 1 how much, and then semester 2 how much? Okay, suppose in semester 1 if you feel it's a 300. Okay, in semester 1 if you feel it's a 300. Okay, and then semester 2 again it's a 300. Okay, guys, 600 means, okay, semester 2. Okay, semester means half yearly, guys. Okay, semester means half yearly. Hope you are clear, right? And then, okay, now, okay, if you are semester 1, okay, how many quarters you will have? So you will have a 2 quarters, guys. Okay, right? Okay, how much you got for quarter 1 and how much you got for quarter 2? Okay, how much you got for quarter 2? Okay, so in quarter 1 I got 200. say like that. Okay, think like that, assume like that. Okay, so in quarter 2 I got something, how much, $100, something like that. Okay, in quarter 1 how many months you will have, guys? Okay, just type it here. Okay, in quarter 1 you will have a January, yes, 3 months. Okay, super, awesome. 3 months, that is January, February, March. Okay, that is January, okay, and then February, and then March, guys. Okay, so like you have a 200, right? Okay, here is a 50, and then again 50, again 100, something like that. Okay, you got like this. Okay, and so in January, okay, how many weeks you will have? Guess how many weeks? 4 weeks. Okay, so next it will go to the week. Okay, next it will go to the week. After week it will go to the day. Okay, after day it will go to the hours, and after hours it will go to the minutes, and minutes after it will go to the seconds after it will go. If you see, okay, Microsoft CEO for second, okay, you can say like that. Okay, per second is getting this much, and then per hour is getting this much, and then per month is getting this much, per year is getting like this much. Okay, so measure, you can go to the detail level, guys. Okay, if you have a measure, you can go to the detail level. Okay, and then you can find like how you are getting and all. Guys, are you getting? Okay, measure, you can go to the detail level, and then you can find. Okay, these are called hierarchies, guys. Okay, these are called hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, this is the year table will have the hierarchy. Suppose a date table, sorry. Okay, date table. Okay, if you go here, okay, date table. Okay, if you feel it's a date table, okay, it will have the year, and then next quarter, okay, and then next month, okay, and then next, okay, day, and then next again hours. Okay, something like that, guys. Okay, this is called hierarchies. Okay, hierarchies will have the dimension table, not only date dimension, guys. Okay, you may have in a location table also. Okay, you may have in a location table also. Suppose not only location table. Okay, in every table you may have the hierarchies. Okay, if you go to the location, okay, so country first, it will take the country, and then okay, then state, okay, state, and then you know, district, something. Okay, in India we'll call district. Okay, and then after villages, and then again streets, something like this, guys. Okay, something like this we can go, and then we can see that. Okay, not only date and location tables, you may have the even product table also. Suppose if you take electronics case, okay, if you take electronics, in electronics you will have some more products like laptop, TVs, okay, mobiles. Okay, in if you take any mobile, guys, okay, in mobile again you will have the different Samsung and you know, MI and Apple. Okay, so different mobiles. Okay, in that also again, if you take Apple and different models. Okay, yes, hope you are getting. Okay, every dimension table will have the hierarchies also. Okay, so when we have the hierarchies, you will go to the detail level, and then you can find the measure where we are getting what. Okay, so that much detail level we can go. Okay, to find the detail level of data, we can go with the hierarchies, and then we can do the data slicing and dicing, guys. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, this point is clear. Okay, when we have the slicer, okay, when we have the hierarchies, you can do the data slicing and dicing. What is slicing? Slicing means filtering, guys. Okay, you can go to the detail level filtering, and then you can see that measure. And then dicing means it's a grouping. Okay, where you can do the group level data also. Okay, hope you are clear with the fact and dimension tables, guys. Okay, now we'll write the points, guys, in a notepad. Okay, after story, what I promised, guys. Okay, after story you will give the points for the fact and dimension table. Okay, now you have to give me the point. Unmute yourself, not a problem. Okay, give points, guys. Okay, fact table will have the more number of, okay, more number data, more number data. Okay, dimension table will have more. I'm saying more, guys. Okay, that means we may have the text data also. Okay, more text data. Next point, you have to unmute yourself and then say that, guys. Okay, if you have a point.
Fact has a numerical number.
Yeah, it will have a numbers data. Yeah, that's the point I have written. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Facts have
Okay,
primary
fact
key.
table has
Primary key.
fact
Foreign
table
key.
have foreign key and dimension table have
Yes,
primary.
fact table will have the foreign keys, not only foreign key, it will have the multiple foreign keys. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, many
And dimension has primary key.
keys. Okay, super. Okay.
Fact has duplicates, but dimension doesn't have
Yes,
any.
fact will have the duplicate case. Okay. And then duplicate data.
There could be
Dimension
multiple
and
dimension
values.
table for a fact table.
It will have a unique data. Okay, dimension table will have the
Both have hierarchical data.
Hierarchy.
yeah, it will have the hierarchy data. Yes, but hierarchy, it's not a mandatory case. Okay, it may have the hierarchy, but it's not mandatory. Okay, say that. Okay, remember that point. Okay, hierarchies.
Hierarchy come in dimension tables.
Yes.
Okay,
Hierarchies in
thank you.
dimension table. Yes. Okay.
Okay, fact table has a length like more data.
You are not giving
Then-
some important points, guys. Okay, there is a one important point. Dimension fact table will give the answers. Try to. This is the best point, guys. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
fact table will related to the business. Okay, it will give answers. Okay, that point.
Business decisions.
Yeah, it will give.
According to
answers
fact
the
table,
business.
it
Okay?
take business decisions quickly.
Yeah, answers. It will give answers to the business. Okay, it will give answers to the business. And dimension table will always ask the
Question.
questions. Super.
Ah,
Will always ask the questions. Yes. Okay. Next, it will have more data compared to dimension.
Dimension.
Compared to dimension tables, in tables. Okay, it will have more data, and then it will have a less amount of data compared to fact table. What else? Any point is missing? Okay, you can go here and then see. Okay, primary key, questions, text data. So every point is covered now. Okay, hope guys. So everything is clear. How the fact table and dimension table look like. Okay, how? So just type as guys. Okay. So hope you enjoy the session of the modeling part. Okay, you will have. So how the dimension table and fact table. It's a simple definition, guys. Okay, it's a simple definition, but superb, awesome, thank you. Okay, yes, okay. So it's a fact table and dimension table, guys. Okay, it's a fact table, dimension table. Now you, thank you so much. Awesome.